you are confused about this? Where have you been? In this TikTok channel, I did a lot of solved questions. This is Jamb question 2023. Very simple if you understand solved. As you can see, this one alone simply means the square root of 1 over square root of 125. That is the meaning, because this square root is covering two of them. That means this one can take its own, this one can also take its own. So we have separated them now. The same thing here, square root of 1 over square root of 5. I should explain this to you, you should know. For now that you are preparing for Jamb, you should know this. Now, what is the meaning of square root of 1 is 1. What is the meaning of this? This simply means 25 multiplied by 5. This is square root of 1, that is 1. We can't do anything here. This one too, we can still do something. 1 over square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 5. We are separating these two now. Plus 1 over square root of 5. Okay? Now, it means 1 over 5 times square root of 5 plus 1 over square root of 5. Okay? This is 1 over 5 square root of 5 plus 1 over square root of 5. That is the meaning now. Now you find the LCM. This is the LCM because this can do justice to both of them. This divided by this is 1, multiplied by this is 1, plus this divided by this is 5. That is 5 square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. You cancel this, remain 5. 5 times this is 5. You add this to 6 over 5 square root of 5. Remember when I was teaching you solve in this channel, I told you you cannot leave square root at the bottom, that is at the denominator. You have to rationalize. How do you rationalize? By saying multiply by the square root of 5, because this is square root of 5, we don't want to here. Also multiply by square root of 5. With this now, we can have 6 square root of 5 over these two we multiply to have 5. That is square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 will give you square root of 25, which is 5. Okay? So therefore, these two will produce 5 to have 5 times 5. That is to say 6 square root of 5 over 25, which you can write as 6 over 25 square root of 5. This is the answer. Let's see. 6 over 25 square root of 5. B is the answer. Is it true you want to write Jamb? You don't know how to solve this? Indices? Where have you been? Come, let me show you. So you can see in this place, this is indices question. In this TikTok channel, the first set of videos were what? Indices. More than 30 videos. If you don't understand indices, go and look at them. Don't waste your time. Let's see. As you can see in this place, the first thing you need to do is, this 6 is the one carrying 1 over 3. What is 6? 6 means 2 times 3. Break it down. 2 times 3. Then this guy will still be at the top. What is the meaning of 12? 12 simply means 4 times 3. What is 4? 2 raised to power 2. That is 2 times 2. Then I still keep this 3. It means I can use these guys to replace the 12. That is 2 raised to power 2 times 3. This 12 alone means 4 times 3. The 4 I just mentioned is also 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 2. All over. What is the meaning of 81? 81 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 9 times 9 equals to 81. It means 3 raised to power 4. Therefore, you say 3 raised to power 4. Now, because you have done this, it means this and this are the one carrying 1 over 3. They want to go their separate ways. It means therefore 2 will go in separate way. We put this here. 3 will also go in separate way. We put this here. This guy, 2 raised to power 2 will go in separate way. We bring this one closer. This guy too, we go in separate way. We bring this one closer. All over these 3, 4, and 1 over 6 will come closer. Okay? Next, let's continue. This, we can't do anything for now. This, we can't do anything for now. As you can see, this and this, we can combine it to have 2 raised to power 2 over 3. This is 3 raised to power 1 over 3 all over 2 here 2, 2 here 3. That is 2 over 3. That is 3 now is raised to power 2 over 3. Now we can collect like terms. This and this are the same because they have the same base. Say 2, 1 over 3 times this 2, 2 over 3. This one too, they have the same base. That is 3, 1 over 3 times 3, 1 over 3 all over this 3, 2 over 3. Let's continue now. Because this and this have the same base, we take one of them, we combine the indices together. That is the powers. The same thing with these guys. Because the base are the same, we also combine these together. All over 3, 2 over 3. Now this one, now you need to add them together. This is primary school. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. That is 3 over 3. Do I need to explain that one again? You that want to write Jamb? No. That means we're going to have 3 over 3, which is actually 1. But let's wait. This one, 2 is what? 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is what? 2 over 3. I don't need to tell you that. That is 2 over 3. All over, this is also what? 2 over 3. As you can see, this and this can just cancel. This cancel this. We have 1. It means at the end of the day, we have 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. The answer is 2. You go back here now, you see that what? There is an option that says B is 2. The next thing you are saying is that, do they expect me to solve this one within 1 minute? Yes. In exam environment, you jump steps. You don't need to be showing all this. Just you get to answer. Is it true you can solve this question within 20 seconds? Bonus question. Let me show you. What are you seeing here? 4, 2, 9, 3. What is that telling you? The person is helping you. This simply means log base 2 over 3. This one can also be written as 2 over 3. Everything raised to power 2. What am I saying? This one now is this. This group is this. That is to say, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Bonus. Let's come here. Log to the base of E. What is the meaning of this? Is E raised to power minus 1. If you don't know indices, go and check indices in this my TikTok channel. I explain indices in yaga yaga. Come. Now, this guy need to come to the back because this guy is carrying this. He said, my neck, don't break my neck. See, guy, come to the back. Come to the back. 2 over 3 base, 2 over 3. This one too, you are carrying this. It's too much. Minus 1, you come to the back too. Log E. When these are similar, it means this is 1. It means this is 1. Therefore, we have 2 plus minus 1. That is 2 multiplied by 1 is 1. Minus 1 multiplied by this is minus 1. That is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Look at the answer here now. You see? You don't need to even solve it. By looking at it, you can do within 2 seconds. You get your answer. Go and read your book. Drop that phone. Go and read your books. Jamb question, and it's like you are confused. Looking at this like this. Where have you been? I've done a lot of indices questions in this channel. Now, this is a question of last year, 2023 Jamb. As you can see, this is what exponential equation. We are asked to solve for x. How do you solve for x? Very simple. What is 27? 27 simply means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 1, 2, 3. 3 raised to power 3. So we are going to replace this 27 by 3 raised to power 3. Then we still put this s raised to power 2 equals to 3, 8s plus 3. So what is the meaning of this now? This alone means time. That is, this 3 multiplied by x. So 3 multiplied by x, that is 3 now. We have 3s raised to power 2 equals to this. Because these bases are the same, these power are also equal. You have to equate them. When you see that the base are the same, the father that are carrying them are the same, the children are the same. So we say therefore 3s raised to power 2 is equals to 8s plus 3. Okay? Now, so we are going to move this to this side to have this. This is 8x 3 equal to 0. Quadratic equation now. Quadratic equation was treated in this channel. No excuse. Go and look at them. Now, we're going to multiply these two to have 9. What are the two numbers? If you multiply them, you have minus 9. But if you add them together, whatever you want to do, you have minus 8. That is minus 9 times plus 1. If you do this, you have minus 9. If you bring them together through addition, minus 9 plus 1, you're going to have minus 8. So therefore, is minus 9 x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. If you are preparing for Jamb, you shouldn't be taught quadratic equation. You should know that, okay? Now, we want to work on this. What is common here is 3x. S is remaining. 3s. Then we put 1 here. That is 3x plus 1 s minus 3 equal to 0. It means therefore here is 3s plus 1 equals to 0, or s minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 3s equals to minus 1, s equals to minus 1 over 3, or s equals to 3, s equals to 3. So this is the answer. Minus 1 over 3 and 3. Minus 1 over 3 and 3. This is actually 3, okay? This is 3. This was what 3. This is not 1, okay? So C is actually the answer, okay? Another logarithmic question, 2023 Jamb question. It means you can run away from logarithm and indices. Let's see. As you can see in this place, we are asked to solve this equation. What you need to do now is to, first of all, we bring them down, log to the base of 2x like this. This is also x 2 raised to power 2. I can actually bring the 2 here instead of putting it here. Equals to 3. Okay? Now, we are going to say, let, say, p be equals to log s to the base of 2. As you can see, this one will perfectly be replaced with p. What about this? As you can see, we need to switch this position. That is to say now, you will agree with me that before I come back here, you will agree with me if I write this down like this, if I put this 2, I can write this as 1 over log to the base of 2x. As you can see, I am switching this now. Once I switch the position, I bring this one in. I've not done anything. I've not destroyed anything. Remember, I've treated all this in this channel, logarithm. This is just rush explanation. Now, I can now come here to say this now you are p. This is 2, 1 over p. Remember, we still have equal to 3 here, equal to 3. Now, we can say p plus 2 over p equals to 3. We multiply throughout by p. This multiplied by p is p squared plus this and p will destroy themselves, then 3p. I don't know if you understand. Times p, times p, times p. Multiply throughout by p, just to remove this denominator. That means we have 2p here. This and this will cancel. This is 3p. Now we can write p squared We bring this here, minus 3p plus 2 equal to 0. Two numbers, multiply them to have 2, but when you bring them together, you have minus 3. That is minus 2 minus 1. That is p squared now is minus 2p minus p plus 2 equals to 0. Quadratic equation. From logarithm, we are now in quadratic equation. You see this? P comes out to have this. We repeat it here. This becomes minus 1, p minus 1, p minus 2 equals to 0. P, therefore, is 1, or p is 2. But what is p? P was actually this. That is log s to the base of 2. Log s to the base of 2. Therefore, we'll come here to say log s to the base of 2 equals to 1, or log s to the base of 2 equals to 2. Okay? Now, as you can see, we can move this here to change position to have 2 raised to power 1, or we move this here, say 2 raised to power 2. It means, therefore, s here is 2, or s here is what? 4. If you don't understand this, go and look at my logarithm videos in this TikTok channel, also in YouTube. You will learn a lot. This is just rush explanation because I assume you should know what quadratic equation. This we are doing here, we are moving from logarithm form to indices form. I taught this. Be a good student. Read your book. You cannot read? Go and learn work. Thank you. So let's go back to check. Answer is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So the answer is B. 2. Come. You want to write Jamb. You don't know remainder theorem. Why now? That means you are prepared to fail. Let me show you. Very simple. Very simple. This is bonus. They are telling you that find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by this. Very simple. It means this guy, which you are going to use as the divisor, equate it to 0. To look for s, it means 2s now is equals to 1, s equals to 1 over 2. This value you get for s, substitute it in place of s here. Very simple. 4, 1 over 2 raised to power 3 plus, it's minus 6, 1 over 2 plus 5. What are you going to get from here? You remember, you agree with me that this is 1 over 8. 1 raised to power 3 is 1, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. There's 2 here 1, 2 here 3. That is minus 3 plus 5. Okay? This here 1, this here 2. That is 1 over 2. This 2 will give us what? Plus 2 over 1. Okay, so this one now, find the SCM is 2. 2 into this is 1 multiplied by this is 1 plus. This is 2, that is 4 equals to 5 over 2. How many 2 in this place? That is 2 in this place. Remain 1 over 2. That is 2 over 1 over 2. Let's check if there's any option. Very simple, okay? If you read, you will pass. If you don't read, I tell you, when you get to the exam, all you'll be doing, check your body, 20. Answer is 20. You fail it. Hey, you want to write Jamb, you don't know inequality? You look at the question, say, how do I solve this? Oh, check your body, 20. Check your body, 20. This is the answer, 20. You are going to get your answers through 20. I pity you. Come, let me show you. Very simple. This is what? Inequality. You concentrate on this side first. That is to say, this one now, we are going to find the SCM. I don't want to write it down, not to waste our time. The SCM of this and this is 10. Okay? 10 divided by this is 5. We multiplied everything here by 5. That is this. 2 plus 5y. Then minus this divided by this is 2. 2 multiplied by everything here. That is 2. 4 plus 3y. Less than y plus 2. Okay? Hope you understand. Find the LCM of these two is 10. Then we use primary school elementary way of solving this. Very simple. Now let's expand this. That is 10 plus 25y. This is minus 8 minus 6y all over 10 y plus 2. Okay? You agree with me that this will give us here, will give us 2. This will give us 90. over 10. Multiply throughout by 10. You multiply here by 10, you also multiply this side by 10. It means this 10 and this 10 will cancel. You multiply this other side by 10. Okay? So therefore, you agree with me, this will give us 2 plus 90y. For this 10 we go, this is 10y plus what? 20. Now you come here. We bring this here, we take this here. That is 90y, 10y, 20. This comes here minus 2. This will give us 9. This will give us what? 18. That is 10y. Divide both sides by 9. You agree with me? Y is less than 2. See? The person that said it, say, I know you're going to say, he's not sure of what he's doing. You will just take this. You already miss it. Before you know, you say, I got it right now. It's the witches in my village that are after me. No. This is the answer. Okay? C is the answer. Y is less than 2. Y is less than 2.